Hey, welcome to Qi Men Dun Jia. This is Douglas Chan again. Thank you for watching the channel. Today we're going to talk about this Qi Men divination on this case study related to Western restaurant investment. A case study whereby this client to invest in a Western restaurant. So let's go straight to the case study and then I'll teach you how to decipher the information based on Qi Men Dun Jia. So this restaurant to invest in company whereby the investors is asking me whether to invest in this restaurant or not. So apparently I will open up this chart at this 2019 December 11 at about 2200 hours, and basing on this time itself the chart is giving me some indication. So how do we see this chart? In this segment, we will look at the hour chart in this case, and we will look at where is this hour chart. Corresponding, this is a SIN. Where do we look at the SIN XIN? We need to look at where is SIN in the 9 boxes below. So it's over here. So generally speaking, this is the answer that it will be telling us whether it's a good to go. But of course, this is not so straightforward, but apparently based on the basic of Qi Men Dun Jia divination, we will only stick to the box number 9 currently, and I will decipher further information whether to go ahead with this investment. So the question for this Qi Men Dun Jia divination is it a good decision to invest in this Western restaurant? Alright, so box number 9 is our answer, a preliminary answer. So we have this obstacle, we have this bandit, and we have this white tiger. So an obstacle, a combination with white tiger, meaning that the obstacle itself can be very fierce. A very big obstacle involved, or can be many obstacles involved. And with this bandit, we are talking about losing money, investing money. That means the money involved, it can be huge. And this is based on the box number 9 information. And step 2, we're going to go for where is the seeker. The seeker is the person that is asking this question. We must know the condition of the person, we must know the environment, and then from there we can have a better information. So the seeker is over here. So we're going to look at where is Ren. Ren is over here at box number 1. Right, so it's telling us that this person is having some opportunity. Open is opportunity, and a leader itself and investors, and he's quite fearless in this business investment. So moving forward, we also have to look at the element of both such. Right, so we have box number 9, which is a fire. We have box number 1, which is the water. So water will counter fire, so which means that box number 1 will counter box number 9. That is to say that the person, the investor itself, will counter, will not produce the result. So even before he invests, I can more or less predict that he is not going to invest. You see, so this is how powerful Qi Men Dun Jia can be. So let's decipher the information further. Okay, let's look at the profit. The profit for this business venture, is it going to be profitable? Okay, profit will always talk about life. So we must find life is over here. In Chinese we call Shen Men, and then from there we notice that this Shen Men is 9 Di, which means that the profit may not be as good as it seems. There will be profit, and there will be some person or things that happen that will destroy this profit. And more importantly, which is very important, is that we have an emptiness over here, meaning that there's a circle. In Qi Men Dun Jia, a circle equates to an emptiness. So what does an emptiness mean? Emptiness means that the box itself, or box number 3, the energy is not high. It's going to be low, about 20-30%. So we need to take reference of the other box, which is directly opposite, which is number 7. So in number 7, we have this depth, we have this rush, impulsive, and then we have this tie-in, which is a hidden element. A hidden element, a hidden activities that's happening in this particular business venture that is going to happen. And death is actually the worst scenario in any prediction. So in terms of profit, no, it's not going to happen. We have 60-70% of the energy that is going to be the death in terms of the profitability. And it's telling us this is going to be a rush decision, and there will be some elements of hidden things that will be happening. Right. So I gave the investors the no go, and saying that this investment will have a lot of obstacle, it's not going to be profitable. And of course, I did not tell them that they are the one deciding not to go, because I already know that they are not going to go. So in this case itself, moving forward, the investors do not, as predicted, did not actually go into investing in this business. And few months later, we have come to a stage whereby the COVID-19 comes in, and because of that, a lot of business will close, a lot of restaurants will close, and a lot of business cannot operate because due to the stringent requirement of the regulation and law, and stopping people to go into restaurants. So in this aspect of the case study for Qi Men Dun Jia divination, we are glad to say that these investors have saved a lot of money in and making a right decision not to invest in this Western restaurant. So this is how powerful Qi Men Dun Jia can be in terms of divination and predicting what might happen in the near future. So if you want to learn more about Qi Men Dun Jia or want to know about the skills, please visit my website, and from there we can see how we can educate you more in this Qi Men Dun Jia skills. Thank you very much.